Whole gang out here, you know what I'm saying? Paddle boat. Where's Selena? Selena's up there, right there, right in front of them over there. And let's see here. Let's see if this POV work. I kind of have you guys strapped to my jacket. Like, let's see. Get a POV here this real quick. Let's go. Oh shit, I'm on the shallow part right here. A little island.
All right, guys. So this is my first time kayaking actually.
First time kayaking together.
It's actually so fun.
Yeah.
I fuck with it.